Yep. I'll just crunch away. It's fine. Watch me get all set up and decide to eat. What a guy. What a guy. That's all right. Short video this week. We had some negative 30-degree weather, and you'd think, all right, well, wouldn't that be perfect time to be inside the shop doing stuff? And you're absolutely right. And then I agreed to go help James work on a tractor out in a shed in the cold. Here's a little clip of that. Yeah. Yeah. And that's the only video that I got of it because minus 30. Camera wasn't happy, phone wasn't happy, I wasn't happy. We had a big heater set up, and it was only warm where it was pointing. We got it running, as you saw. And then today. You ready? I'm ready. Let's do this. Look at the haze in here. Didn't include you for everything. There's a headliner out. The struts are off the back too. James is underneath there getting our transmission mount, and I have zip cut it around there, and in just a moment we're going to unbolt the bottom and see if we can pull that whole piece up from the inside. Yeah, because that seems to be the thing to do. There we go. Hang on. All right, my bolt's spinning from the bottom, so we're trying to access the top, and no wonder these things rust out. It's all dirt in there. Stand by. Wah, wah. And why was that all that was done? Well, James had a part of his roof collapsing in his house, and now he doesn't. And now James's wife did make me a shepherd's pie. It's in the oven warming up right now. I really only put this smock on to make this little intro. That's also an outro. This is still a cooler truck. Next week. Yeah, I know. It's a little bit dirty. Oh, you can't see nothing in there. There we go. It's not quite warm enough yet. Almost. I have enough time to clean that. Whoosh. Something like that. That's slightly better. Yeah, I put on broil to get the cheese. The cheese. I made that entire thing in one sitting. Yeah. After it cools off for a minute, because